Are you having a problem with your washer fluid? Is it not coming out when you squirt the pump? You may have a bad pump with clogged washer nozzles. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to fix all of that in this video. Guys, you might be wondering why I'm on the ground here. I don't usually do these types of videos, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace your washer fluid pump in your car. So I got this pump here, 30 bucks from Amazon. So, you know, it just comes cheap. Don't buy the ones from the store because you end up spending so much money for them. But yeah, I got this pump off of Amazon for 30 bucks. Really worth the money. I hope the lighting's good. I hope it's not too bad. But yeah, I have jacked up my car to make it a little bit easier to work under. So it's on these little things here. And then I've got to get under the pump. I got to work on the pump, which is right in there. So underneath the car, right now where the pump is. So here's the connector for the pump. That's the connector here, as you can see with my hand. These are the two nozzles that take it to the two different squirters up there. Here's the pump here. It's actually bad, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a container and I'm actually going to pull one of these nozzles out. That way all the wash fluid will come out and you won't get soaked when you take off the pump. Because believe me, as soon as you take this off, everything's going to come out. So grab yourself a container and take off these two nozzles to save yourself some time. So I've got myself a nice container here. So what you're going to do, grab this little thing here and just keep on pulling. You see that? It's coming off. There you go. It'll drain out. Takes quite a bit of wiggling, but it just comes on out. And then I'm just going to leave this to drain for a few minutes. Now I know some people are going to say, what a mess. Well, you can siphon this out, but I'm too cheap to buy a $15 siphon from Walmart, so this is how I'm going to do it instead. Yes, it's going to make a mess, but you know what? You pick and choose. Do you want to spend money, or you can be cheap like me and make a huge mess and save some money. However, you are going to want to be patient because this is going to take a while for it to all drain out. So it's going to take a good 5 to 6 minutes. So you're going to have to be patient because remember, there's about 4 liters in your reservoir. So, you know, it dripping at this rate, it's going to take a couple minutes at least. So I've opened up the hood and you can see, I don't know if you can see if you look right down there, but it's still full. It's been draining for 6 minutes. It's still not even empty. This is going to take at least 15 minutes. As you can see here, I was able to get both of the sides of the ends of the hoses off. They were so difficult to get off. I actually had to get a pair of pliers to get them off and stick like a flat blade screwdriver underneath the rubber and actually pry it off. It was so gunged up on there, so I got those off finally, so it's going to drain a bit faster. So it's still not done. I'm like waiting for this to finish for like 15 minutes and it's still not done. So I was able to get the old pump off just like so, and then you want to take this seal off here and wash it. Literally all I did is I waited for the whole thing to drain and I pulled it from the side and wiggled it out and it came out from the side there. As you can see, it's out of there. Put that seal on this end here. As you can see, it comes with a seal around the side there here, and it has both of the same things on the side here. This is the old pump and this is the new pump, so I'm going to install the new pump. You're just going to take the new pump here, and you can see here, I'm going to push in like so. It's difficult to do with one hand, but you're just going to keep wiggling and pushing in, and then you'll connect these two hoses back up and then the power, and you'll be good to go. We got the new pump in. Stick one in there, like so. Take the other one and connect it in there. Got our two hoses connected back up. This is difficult to do out though. You're just going to take this connector right here, so you can see here, and click it back in until you hear a click. So it just clicked a mini click there. Now we're going to test it out, fill it back up with washer fluid, and see how the whole thing goes. Now for the moment of truth. And now it's working like a charm. That is how you fix your washer fluid pump. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you are new. And turn on my post notifications if you are new to my channel. So if your washer pump gives you any trouble, don't get mad and get a mechanic to fix it. Crawl into your car and fix it yourself. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and have a great day. Bye.